Scientists who shaped our world. Part 2. Throughout history, visionary scientists have expanded the boundaries of human knowledge and transformed our understanding of the universe. From unlocking the mysteries of atoms and the cosmos to pioneering breakthroughs in medicine, energy, and technology, their discoveries have laid the foundation for modern science and everyday life. This collection honors some of the most influential minds whose curiosity, courage, and brilliance helped shape the world we live in today. Robert Hooke, 1635 to 1703. Hooke was an English scientist known for Hooke's law of elasticity and his pioneering work in microscopy. He coined the term cell while observing cork under a microscope. His book Micrographia revealed the microscopic world to the public. Hermann von Helmholtz, 1821 to 1894. Helmholtz was a German physicist and physician who made major contributions to energy conservation and sensory physiology. He formulated the law of conservation of energy in mechanics and thermodynamics. His interdisciplinary work bridged science, medicine, and philosophy. Fritz Haber, 1868 to 1934. Haber was a German chemist who developed the Haber-Bosch process for synthesizing ammonia from nitrogen. This revolutionized agriculture by enabling large-scale fertilizer production. He also contributed to chemical warfare in World War I, a controversial part of his legacy. Robert Boyle, 1627 to 1691. Boyle was an Anglo-Irish natural philosopher who is regarded as one of the founders of modern chemistry. He formulated Boyle's law, which describes the inverse relationship between pressure and volume in gases. His book The Skeptical Chemist challenged the classical view of matter. James Clerk Maxwell, 1831 to 1879. Maxwell was a Scottish physicist who formulated the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation. His Maxwell's equations unified electricity, magnetism, and light as different manifestations of the same phenomenon. He laid the foundation for modern physics and influenced Einstein's work. Pierre Curie, 1859 to 1906. Curie was a French physicist known for his work on radioactivity alongside his wife, Marie Curie. He discovered the elements polonium and radium. He received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 with Marie Curie and Henri Becquerel. Paul Ehrlich, 1854 to 1915. Ehrlich was a German physician and scientist who pioneered immunology and chemotherapy. He developed the first effective treatment for syphilis and proposed the concept of a magic bullet. He shared the 1908 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. James Prescott Joule, 1818 to 1889. Joule was an English physicist who established the relationship between heat and mechanical work. His work led to the first law of thermodynamics and the principle of energy conservation. The unit of energy, the joule, is named after him. Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose, 1858 to 1937. Bose was an Indian physicist and biologist who made pioneering contributions to radio and plant physiology. He was one of the first to demonstrate wireless signal transmission. He also invented instruments to detect plant responses to stimuli. Paul Dirac, 1902 to 1984. Dirac was a British theoretical physicist who formulated the Dirac equation, combining quantum mechanics and special relativity. He predicted the existence of antimatter before it was observed. Dirac received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1933, shared with Erwin Schrödinger. Otto Hahn, 1879 to 1968. Hahn was a German chemist who discovered nuclear fission in uranium, a breakthrough that led to nuclear energy and weapons. He received the 1944 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for this discovery. Often called the father of nuclear chemistry, his work had profound scientific and ethical implications. Johannes Kepler, 1571 to 1630. Kepler was a German astronomer who formulated the three laws of planetary motion. His work confirmed the heliocentric model and laid the groundwork for Newton's laws of motion. He revolutionized our understanding of celestial mechanics. John Dalton, 1766 to 1844. Dalton was an English chemist and physicist who developed the modern atomic theory. He also studied color blindness, which is sometimes called Daltonism in his honor. His atomic theory became the cornerstone of modern chemistry. Marie Curie, 1867 to 1934. Curie was a Polish-born physicist and chemist who discovered the elements polonium and radium. She was the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes, in physics and chemistry. Her work on radioactivity changed the face of science and medicine. Max Planck, 1858 to 1947. Planck was a German theoretical physicist who originated quantum theory. His discovery of energy quanta earned him the 1918 Nobel Prize in Physics. Planck's constant and his work laid the foundation for quantum mechanics. Linus Pauling, 1901–1994. Pauling was an American chemist who made groundbreaking contributions to chemical bonding and molecular biology. He won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1954 and the Nobel Peace Prize in 1962. He is one of the few individuals to receive 2 unshared Nobel Prizes. Luis Walter Alvarez, 1911–1988. Alvarez was an American physicist who won the 1968 Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on particle accelerators. He also proposed the asteroid impact theory for the extinction of dinosaurs. His research spanned nuclear physics, aviation, and paleontology. Max Born, 1882–1970. Born was a German physicist and mathematician who helped develop quantum mechanics. He introduced the probabilistic interpretation of the wave function. He received the 1954 Nobel Prize in Physics for his fundamental research. Nicolaus Copernicus, 1473–1543. Copernicus was a Polish astronomer who proposed the heliocentric model of the solar system. His work challenged the geocentric view and began the scientific revolution. His book De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium changed astronomy forever. Nikola Tesla, 1856–1943. Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor and electrical engineer known for his work on alternating current AC power. He developed the Tesla coil, wireless transmission concepts, and numerous electrical innovations. Tesla's visionary ideas paved the way for modern electrical systems. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.